Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send and receive USDT from Binance to Binance on phone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance and go to your spot wallet. Then select USDT and click. Then click withdraw and choose the method that is convenient for you. First let's see the first method. Here you need to enter the recipient's address and select the tier C20. Enter the amount and transfer. If you send the user a Binance, then there will be no fee. The same can be done in the second way, if you know the mail, phone or user ID on the Binance. Click and select the sending mode. For example, this is a Pay ID. Enter it and write the amount to send. There is also no fee and press send. Check everything and click next. Confirm and that's all. The payment will be credited within 10 minutes. To receive USDT you need to log into the spot wallet again and select USDT. Click deposit and select Tron. Then you send your address or QR code to the sender. That's all. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easier and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.